how to create EA account. So if you want to create your EA account, then first you just need to simply open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, now you just need to simply go with search. And under search, you need to search for EA account, sign up. Once you search for it, here you will have how to create an EA account. Simply go with the first search or the link and go with the upper right, which has login or sign up option. And here you just need to simply enter your country or your region, and then you need to enter your date of birth. Go with next, and you need to enter your email address to create your account. So just enter your email address and then enter your EA ID and then create your password. Once you've created your password and once you enter your ID and your email, now you just need to simply go with next, which will be on the bottom of your screen. Once you click on it, now you just need to simply go with your profile visibility. If you want your friends to see your profile, or if you want it private, or if you want to choose everyone, you can simply choose anything, and then you can simply choose all of these if you want to, but make sure to click on the last option, which is accepting the terms and conditions. Go with create account, and now you need to enter the verification code which EA has sent to the email address which you have just entered. So open up your mail, and here you will have your EA security code. You just need to simply copy the code, which is right here, and then you need to paste the code and go with next, and that's it. You're done. Your EA account is verified and ready to go. This is your EA ID and this is your EA email address. Go with finish. So that's how you can create or make your EA account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.